Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can get a sidebar or a drawer using GetX in Flutter. So if you haven't installed the package, go to your pub/pep and add a line like this and install the package into your system. So let's get started. So this is our get material app and we have our home, which will have our get view, and we'll declare our drawer controller now. So as you can see here, we can create a class. Let's call it as a drawer controller, which extends our GetX controller. Okay, so in this class what you can do is you can declare your scaffold key, which is of type, which is our global key. It's like this, global key, which will be of type our scaffold state. So now with the help of this key we can control our drawer. So for that we can simply write like open drawer method like this, and now we can do is we can use our scaffold key dot our current state dot open drawer, add our exclamatory mark. Now with this function what we can do is we can simply open our drawer. Similarly what we can do is we can write close drawer, and using the same our scaffold key we can get our current context, our state, and we can write open end drawer. So now what we can do is we have our drawer controller as a get view. So now what we can do is now we can simply save our app, and inside our scaffold now we'll have our access to our controller. So let's just call it once more time, that is our drawer controller, and for the key we can have our controller dot our scaffold key like this. Okay, so let's just save our app. So now for the drawer we can simply have a drawer and a drawer as a widget, and for the child we'll have our list view, and for the children's, let's say first we have our drawer header, and for the child let's say we have a center of text which just say hello. Let's make it a const, and for the other widgets what we can do is we can have our list tile, which has on tab properties, or let's say it has a title of, let's say, of text home. Okay, similarly we can have our another list tile widget which says, let's say, close. Okay, so let's just save our app for now. So as you can see now we have our drawer here. So we can either click on these icons to open our drawer, or what we can do is we have our button here where we can use our controller dot we can have our open drawer function. We can point to this our function. So let's just save our app now, and now when I click on this button, as you can see we have our drawer open. So for the drawer header let's change a little bit of color. So for the drawer headers we have different properties. As you can see here we have edge inserts, curves, or what we can do is we can simply have a widget called container, which is not const. So we can remove our const and we can give it a color of, let's just say, a colors of orange. So let's just save the app. So now as you can see we have a little bit of orange as a background color. So by default it has a little bit of padding, so we can also remove this padding using padding widget of edge inserts dot 0. So let's just save the app. So now as you can see, we have our full widget, that is our container. So now to close the drawer, we can also use the on tap property on our list style. Let's use our controller dot close drawer. So let's just save our app. So now as you can see, when I click on this close, our drawer is getting closed. See, once again, when I'm pressing our close, our drawer gets closed. So these were the basics, and now with the help of this you can create your drawer as you wish, and you can control your drawer with the help of your scaffold key. So this is how you can use to create drawer or a sidebar using GetX in Flutter. Hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.